Hello everyone, today I will show you how to automate your presets and how to turn on desired blocks in NUX, NUX, MIDI Plug Pro. You can see here, mine is attached to my guitar. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going on a vacation and I don't want to carry all my big equipment. So I'm a singer mainly, and I just want to play some rhythm guitars and a little bit of here and there just to support the guitarist, support the song. So I don't want to carry my whole big setup. So I just want to try out if I can survive a gig with this device. All right. So this is right here, right? But you could press the button here and it will go through the presets. But when you sing and you need to do a lot of things, so I just it just gets you to the different presets, so I want to automate that. Okay, for that I'm gonna use Reaper, and for now I'll just give you a little bit of preview what it looks like. All right, so for example, I have actually created patches, and I created those all stickers, Copilot AI by the way, and just cut it and load it in a file like this, in a MIDI file. So let me just bring my NUX MIDI editor app, because it will be a little bit complicated to so the reason is I can either send MIDI messages directly to my MIDI plug using USB. That is how it's plugged right now in my guitar, but it will not show anything here. See, it's not sending anything here because it is changing right now. My MIDI plug, the patch is being changed there. To just show you how it looks, I just want to send MIDI here instead of the device. So then here, the channel I want to send to my driver. By the way, you don't need to do this. You can directly send to your MIDI plug, but I will show you. I just wanted to show you how it looks. All right, so now it's supposed to be changing presets as it touches these, right? See? Yeah, so how it goes. First, I will teach you how to do that. All right, so basically I already have it. By the way, I will keep these in a download link of a whole project, and you can save as your presets or your track templates and see if it works, if you get all the pictures and stickers and all that. Okay, so now let me just delete this. Okay, so now we have nothing, so it is sending nothing right now. So let me just do this a little bit so I can keep both. All right, so you just create a MIDI, insert maybe item, or okay, insert new MIDI item, and you have it there. Okay, so one way to do is you don't need this one here. Normally you would have velocity, right? This is what your piano roll looks, a MIDI piano roll. So you want to go here and select bank and program select. After that, you just click here like this, and MIDI channel, that is normal. And once you select that, these value just stays normal, 0 and 0. Now 0 means preset 1 in the midi. Okay, if you can see in the midi plug, if I go to here, we have a list. Look here, program change, control 0 is preset 1. Okay, see, 0 is preset 1. So now if I do okay, and then you see here right now I'm in the preset 6. So if I do this, when it touches, because I selected 0 there, it gave me a preset 1. So basically if I want preset 2, I basically need to double click here again, and then I just make here 1. So 1 is 0 and 2. Okay, 0, 1 is a preset 2. Okay, so now if I do that, now see, it goes to preset 2. All right, so let's say okay, another way is basically it's pretty similar. This is how I used to do it before. Another way is just you select that again and midi again, and you double click here. Then we have some view here on the top. You see here, over there, over there, over there. You click here, and then basically here you just need to double click in a parameter, and then here, instead of control change, you want to bring the program change. Okay, once you do that, the value, remember, whatever value you put here, it jumps that preset. So if I want to put my preset 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, I put 3. Now this is what it looks. Now let me close this. Now see, when I reach here, I should get my preset 4. Okay, so preset 2, oopsie, oh, I don't know what happened. It's supposed to be working, but hold on, PC. Oh, sorry, it's not the value, it's here. Okay, here you put that, and it brings this automatically. Anyway, I don't know this one, but what I showed you before would 100% work, right? Same thing, but I just find it's very simple, this one. Program change, bank and preset change, 1. If I want my 4th preset, I just type there, and it will give me my 4th preset like that, right? Now after that, I'll show you how you will, okay, for example, my preset 4 here is a lead guitar. Okay, so to put the picture, I like to do that because whenever I need, I can just see what it has. All right, so you get the option and item properties. Nope, not item properties. You go to item setting, and here you have item notes, and I have created a bunch of stickers with AI, generated. So load. So okay, for example, this is my lead. All right, so you just click here, apply, then you're gonna get that. Okay, so yeah, so this is how I created all those. So it just keep on gonna flip through the presets. All right. So this is for the preset. All right. NUX Mighty Pro has. Okay. Did I already close that app? So it has seven, 7 presets where you can design your patch, how you're performing it. But however, I wanted a little bit more control, and then, for example, sometimes I don't want really this big and splashy lead sound. I just want on my rhythm sound, I just want my delay pedal turned on. Okay, so that is why this second block is for. So I'm just making a folder here so it would go in the same channel. Basically, this is how it looks, and if you want to put this under this folder, you just click here. All right, so now here, what do I have here? So the PC is program change. Right now this one is a CC. So here, if I click, you can see here it says CC, and parameter is volume MSB. But basically this one, in every DAW it's different, okay? But basically what matters is it should be a 7 for the delay. Now I'll show you why. If I'll show you why. Okay. If we go to the list here, you see the delay control change is at 7. All right, so this is the 7th CC channel we need to select. And then range basically means this pedal has 6 different kind of delay model. So 1 is a 1 model. Let's say this is a digital delay. The 2 is a echo delay. 3 is something like that. So depending on what delay you want. Okay, so what do we do here? As I'm trying to build my delay on and off, that was my initial goal to do. So delay is at 7. Okay, so now I will close this, minimize this time. So let me just show you from beginning how this one looks. Okay, so this one is pretty easy. So let me just delete that. Now I'll just select like this and create an insert midi item. You see, you double click, and usually it will be in this view. All right, but for this I want to go here, and once you're here, you just click here in a parameter, and you want to choose control change CC. Okay, CC. Then over here, that is what right now is in the CC 69. All right, so when I click here, what I want to go is to CC 07, because that is what Mighty Plug Pro has the delay at. Okay, I could choose this. Now after adding this, see the value right now is 127, right? That's maximum. Remember I told you this value in this setting is what type of delay you want. If I quickly show you in a delay section here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of delays. Okay, so if I want a digital delay, I select here basically 2. Now I should get when I get my low gain, and then when it reaches here, I should get my delay turned on. Okay, let's see that. So let me just loop this so it just repeats. Okay, so oh well, hold on. Because it moved, it's not receiving any midi, so okay. So now if you see, it's in the second channel, and see the delay gets turned on. Delay off, delay on, right? So this one, so for example, if this is here, all right, it will turn on the delay for my rhythm channel. So, you know, so that's my third channel and delay on, third channel and delay on. Okay, so that's how it works. So now what I want to do is, every song has different time signature, right? Every song has different time signature. So what I want to do is I want to control the delay parameters. All right. So first, let me put the delay sticker here because I like to do that. Okay, item properties. No, again, I forgot that. Item setting, and then we go to item notes, load, and then my pictures are here, and I created in the blocks. I said delay, so I said delay turn on. Okay, there we have it. I have that. Now what I want to control in my my delay is, oh, I keep on killing the app. So for example, if I'm using this delay, we have time at 50%, 50% repeat, 50% mix. Okay, and this is something delay. I don't know what delay is that. So in Mighty Plug, these are set to 53, 54, and 55. All right, let me just quickly show you that. If we go here, you will see the CC control down below. You see knob 1 is 53, knob 2 is 54, and knob 3 is 55, right? So for this one, it's pretty simple. What I'm gonna do is, I just want to click this, then I want to add here. Okay, so we are at the right place, control change, and here we want to first put the 53. So basically go here, and that's our 53. Okay, so value, we'll change that later. Let's go okay. So now here the value is how much, it's like how much level you want. So for now I just want to keep 30% of delay, right? And okay, the delay type I have selected here is what delay. See, when delay is on, oh, again, it's not receiving any. Okay, here, My delay is digital delay. Okay, it's a digital delay, and see, I just put a 30% time level, then we will have this one. So what we're gonna do is my delay level is set to 30%. We can just copy this, and here we will paste. Now the feedback is at 4, and I also just want same 30% of feedback, so also 30. Now let's copy this again. Okay, we already copied. Now we just paste here. Now the final knob for this delay is the last one, mix button, which is at 55. So I also want just at 30. So now you see every parameter in the song will be 30, 30, 30. Okay, you'll see when delay turns on, 30, 30, 30. You see? Okay. You see that? Now delay on, and every parameter as 30. Delay time. So you need to match with your BPM, you know, this one. So, yeah. All right. So you want more than 30, you change the CC55, you increase it there, and so on. And of course, if you want to turn on distortion instead of delay, so our delay is at 7, so distortion will be in this block. So there are 14 of them. So you select 2. So whatever you want to turn on, you want to do that. All right. So, and now maybe I will give you a demo how it's gonna actually be. So for that, I need to send my. Okay, right now, you know, my this channel is sending MIDI via network to the app. Okay, it is sending to the app, but when it changes in the app, it doesn't change in my device itself. So now I'll show you quickly. We go to option, and then we go to our this thing, right? Then you will see here this guy, NUX Mighty Plug 3. It's enable here, and you enable that. So now it's sending to this channel. Now when you do something here, these channels should be sent to this Mighty Plug. You just output, and instead of the ILAC, you choose your device. Okay, so it could be your Mighty Plug, or maybe any other NUX device which has a USB MIDI. Personally, I'm thinking to get NUX Amp Academy, this one, more reliable, because I saw the app interface is similar like what I have, and this is a little bit more robust, and still it's small instead of, you know, carrying my Fractal HSX, you know. And don't press any button here, just so now I'm gonna send this to my NUX all channel. Okay, so now what you need to be able to hear is so you really need to connect So look, my device is here, okay, and I have my USB-C, a long one, and I connected a quarter inch to quarter inch to 3 mm. Um, Sorry, I didn't intended to do any performance. Just I wanted to show you all those. I hope it was useful, and I will include the project file into download description. You can download it and load it and see if it works. Okay. And for me, I'm gonna create more block turning on later on when I get time. But for now, I just needed delay, so I did that. All right. So one thing is, once you open the project, all right. Once you open the project like this, when you open it, it would look like this. Maybe the picture will come or not. I'm not pretty sure. And what you can do after that is just select both and select as save as a template. Okay, track template. So you select, and of course you go to your folders and include track items. All right, so for me, I go here. This is where I keep mine, and then we got, this is the latest one I saved. Now I added picture on it, sticker on it, so I'm gonna resave again. So I'll save it, then replace it. Right now, for example, you're working in a different song. Let me do one thing. This is not really ideal. I'll show you tell you why. You just keep all those clamped like this, and there is a reason why. Okay. Just keep like that. Oh, I already have lead, so I don't need that. So okay, so just keep it like this, and let's save it again. All right, save as template and include and midi block flow with block include track items. All right, now let's say you're working on a song. All right, so your project would look like this, and you just need the presets. You can just go here on the insert track template, and I have kept on mine here. Now this one, boom, everything comes, and just copy. That's what I do. Just copy all, and just where you need to be in your songs, right? For example, in this point of part, I don't want any of these, and I just want that because it's a clean part in the song. Now when I need a different one, I paste it all and I delete, and then that's my low gain. Then here is my chorus. Here I keep my high gain. So it's really easy to do it. Oh my god, what is that? Paste again. So let's say I want solo at this point, so I just keep the solo and delete the rest. So like that, you can keep on building on your preset for the song. All right, guys, video is long. I'm sorry for that. Anyway, I hope it was useful, and I will see you probably next time. Bye.